Hey guys, welcome back to Lunata Beauty's YouTube channel. The first style we're going to show you is how to create a faux fringe without cutting bangs using the cordless convertible curling iron. So you're going to start by using your Lunata clips and take a triangle section wherever you part your hair. And you're just going to use your clip to get it out of your face. Our next step, we're going to take our cordless curling iron and we are going to curl away from the face, starting right at the hairline. You're going to clamp it in and roll it back as if you were using a hot iron. And you're going to slowly make sure you get all the hair in, and you're going to hold it for 10 seconds. And you're going to pull it out. Separate the curl to create a faux fringe. Repeat the same steps on the other side. And there you have it, a faux fringe. We're going to remove the clamp from our convertible curling wand. You just push up, make sure you release it onto the hot mat so you don't burn anything. Take out the crocodile clips. Pull all of your hair forward. And using your wand, you're going to add in a few more curls. All you need to do is wrap it around, hold it for a few seconds, and release. And repeat the step on the other side. And now we're going to add a spritz of volumizing spray. And using our Lunata detangling brush, we're just going to comb the style through. And we're going to push all the hair towards our face. And there you have it, faux curtain fringe and undone hair.